Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Anahi, and in today's video I am going to be cooking for you guys. I am going to show you how to make smothered burritos. This recipe I learned from a friend. We used to live together and this is one of her recipes. I am not exactly if it is exactly like hers, but I just do a few things that I'm going to be showing you here too. So if you want to learn how to make smothered burritos, just keep on watching. Okay, so for the ingredients, you're going to need some tortillas. I do not make any tortillas from hand because it just takes a lot to prep and sometimes se me queman. So I just buy these. They are super good, and because I am very picky about my tortillas, so if you are too, you can just eat these. These are super amazing. I did pick up some mozzarella cheese, some 2 jalapenos, and you're going to need some cream of chicken and cream of mushroom. You can get any brand, anything that you have, it is fine. And the last thing that you're gonna be needing is some ground beef. I'm gonna go ahead and just cook it really quick, and that's it, okay? And I'm also gonna be using this right here, which is paprika and some salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this onto my ground beef just to give it a little bit of flavor, and that is it, okay? And then we are also going to be boiling our jalapenos in water, and we're just gonna let it boil for a couple minutes, and we're just gonna get to it, okay? Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to make the mezcla. The first thing that I do, I just put my 2 creams that I do need, the cream of chicken and the cream of mushroom, into the blender. And I already buy them like para que se abran así nomás, like no batallo. No hay necesidad de comprar can opener ni nada de eso, no. There's no need. You can just buy one that que ya se abra y ya. No hay necesidad de batallar, chicas. Y no es que sea uno huevona, sino que hay que ser inteligente, ¿no? Si ya lo venden así, pues que quiere uno comprar y batallar, ¿no? Métanse conmigo y ustedes van a aprender mucho. I know, it really doesn't look appetizing, but it's really good. This is how you make the green enchiladas sauce too. But instead of chicken, we're gonna be using carne molida. So there's 1 jalapeno. 2 jalapeno, y le voy a echar poquita agua de aquí, just a little bit though. Before we actually blend, we need some salt. So I just grab my salero and just wing it, okay? However salty you want it to be. I don't want it too salty, but ahí está bien, no pasa nada. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my sauce in my pan, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and boil it for a little bit just so it can heat up and it won't go bad, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and start off by prepping our burritos. I just heated up the tortilla, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some carne molida. Then the next thing that we are going to be doing is putting a little bit of cheese, and then the last thing is just some sauce on it. Then we are just gonna wrap the burrito nice and neatly, and the last thing that we need to put is just put our salsa on top of it. So it is time to do the taste test, and it looks so delicious. Okay, let's just dig in. Okay. Salió un poco picosito. It's a little spicy, but other than that, it's so delicious. I hope you guys try this because it is a super easy meal to make at home, and it is super delicious. So thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and comment down below and let me know what other recipes that you would like to see. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye guys.